Hello everyone, this is Otis. Thank you for visiting my channel today. In this video, I'm going to share with you a tool that allows you to manage hundreds of Instagram accounts and simultaneously post hundreds of Instagram Reels to those hundreds of accounts. Now, let's first enter this tool. Here, as you can see, you can manage over 700 accounts. To post a Reel, select the Post section and then choose Post Reel. Next, select the accounts you want to post to. Here, I'll select all 700 accounts. Next, set the posting time here, and then select the content you want to post. Yes, select the content. This content needs to be uploaded to the software beforehand. Next, further down, you'll find the Settings section. How many videos you want to post per account. Next, there's the Hashtag section and the Facebook account sharing section. Once the settings are complete, simply click Start. Yes, it's very easy, isn't it? If you want to get your hands on this tool, don't forget to send me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp. Now, let's see how it gets posted. See you again.